Hey, happy Friday, everybody. So, I just got back from Sephora and I just wanted to do a little mini haul because I have not bought makeup like that in a long time, and I probably won't for a long time. I mean, it's nothing crazy because let's be honest, you can buy two things and spend over $100 at Sephora if you really wanted to. So, I ended up getting five things, but I will just show you what I got. The first thing I got was this Tatcha. I'm gonna show better angles of this, but it's basically this Tatcha deep cleanser and the water cream. So the deep cleanser is 1.7 ounces, the water cream is 0.34 ounces. But I've heard so much good stuff about Tatcha and their skincare that I really wanted to try it myself. And I'm not gonna lie, their products are so expensive that I cannot buy full price stuff. So this was in that little section, you know, when you get closer to the register and they have like the smaller mini things that you can buy for a little bit cheaper. But this was 25 bucks just for this small thing. So I'm going to start using it and see if I see any difference in my skincare and maybe invest in a bigger bottle. Who knows? Next thing I got was this Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer. And yeah, I just needed a really good primer. The size is not that big, so I bought this also closer to the register. So this is the size that it is, and it's pretty small. You can get a big one, but you know, I've never tried actually Too Faced face products, so I didn't want to buy like full size if I didn't know I was gonna like it or not. So, and plus it's expensive. So this one I believe was like 15 for the small primer. And then I also got the Peach Mist, so just to use as like a setting spray because I really needed a setting spray. So this is the smaller one as well, and this one was 16 bucks. So yeah, and the reason why I ended up getting these two is because I got the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation by Too Faced. So I'm really excited to try this. This is obviously the full size one. The color I got is Warm Sand, and I just swatched it on my hand while I was there at the store. It is a little bit darker, but it's okay. So yeah, this is the full size one and I'm excited. So that's basically why I got the primer and the spray also for Too Faced, because I was like, maybe I should try getting a primer and a foundation that are from the same brand for once, because usually I'm just using drugstore stuff most of the time. Lastly, we got the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I got the color Ebony because when I previously had bought this, I got dark brown, but my hair is pretty dark now. Like all of my light color is gone and it's just basically back to my basic black color that my natural color. So I got the Ebony to match my hair, and that's basically all I got. I also got, but this is in a separate order, I got it at Ulta. I got the Anastasia Riviera palette, the eyeshadow palette that just came out on like Monday. So I just got that, so I'm really excited. That's coming in the mail and I'm gonna do a whole video on it. But anyways, I just wanted to do a little haul. This is water, by the way. It's not water, it's Coke. I just wanted to do a little haul and show you guys what I got because I was excited. And who watches these anyways? But anyways, thanks for stopping by and see you in my next video.